Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can go ahead and farm the Movement Labs airdrop. Now this is the second video with regards to Movement Labs airdrop and I made a separate video in the past. You can have a look into it. Now if we go ahead and check the tweet over here, as you can see the public testnet is live just 22 hours before at the time of making this video. And they have managed to raise the overall funding of around $38 million. Now for those who don't know, Movement have their own programming language which is Move programming language. Now this programming language is used to actually go ahead and design the SUI and the Aptos network. And in order to farm this airdrop, I will guide you through all the steps in this video. Now before we move on to that, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which up to $30,000, or alternatively you can use my referral code as crypto505. Now once you create an account on Bybit, you would be also eligible for different airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. So in order to farm the movement airdrops, all you have to do is, first thing you will need to do is, you will need to go ahead and download a Razer wallet on your Chrome browser or some other browser. So it would be available on Mac devices as well and on the Play Store in few days. Now once you set up a Razer wallet, all you have to do is, there are two types of chain over here. As you can see, there is Movement SUI DevNet and Movement EVM DevNet. So you have to switch it to Movement EVM DevNet over here. And the first thing that you will need to do is, you will need to go over here to their faucet, and over here you will need to go ahead and paste your EVM address. So simply go ahead and copy this address over here, click on this, click on I am not Robert, and then go ahead and click on get move. So what will happen is, like, your account would be funded with one move. Now don't keep on spamming this, do it like only couple of times a day. Now once you have move in your wallet, all you have to do is, you have to go over here to the Testnet Movement Labs over here, and on the top right you will need to go ahead and connect your Galaxy account. Now if you don't have a Galaxy account, you can go ahead and create one and also connect different wallets on the Galaxy in order to complete all the campaigns. Now you can also go in the spaces over here and search for Movement Labs and complete any Galaxy task and quest if any. Now once you go ahead and connect your Galaxy over here, all you have to do is, you will need to go ahead and click on quest. Now please note that at times it gives an error of JSON. So let me go ahead and check whether this is working or not. So as you can see, there is this JSON error right now, but this issue usually gets resolved soon and you will be able to find all the quest over here. Now we will need to go ahead and complete all of the quest on the testnet over here, and there are a lot of quests to be honest in order to farm this airdrop. But please note that farming this airdrop is absolutely free for now, and to be honest, I think you should be rewarded decently if you go ahead and farm this airdrop. And over here there are also this chamber of guilds and pantheon, which you can have a look at it later. And the next thing that you will need to do is, you will need to go ahead and download another wallet for SUI, Aptos and as well as Movement. So simply go ahead and download this nightly wallet over here. So it's available for Chrome, Opera, Edge and Brave browser. Now I've already set up my nightly wallet on my Chrome browser. And the first thing that you will need to do is, you will need to go to Seekers Alliance over here. Now I will leave all the links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate. And you will need to go ahead and mint this NFT. Now I have already minted this and it's not giving me the option to go back. Let me go. And once you go ahead and mint this NFT, you have to go ahead and select this Seekers Alliance over here. So there are three of them. So I have selected this Vanderlek family. You can select if you want House of Galahad or Mahida Alliance. You can go ahead and select any one of these. So I am supporting this faction. And all you have to do is, once you click on this, simply go ahead and approve. And then I will go with Agent K9. For girls you can select maybe Officer Cats. And as you can see, congratulations, you have completed a Galaxy campaign. Now the next thing that you will need to do is, you will need to go ahead and stake your move tokens for ST move. So all you have to do is, once you are here on your nightly wallet, you have to select this Movement Aptos and go over here and go to settings, and in the choose RPC you have to click on testnet. Now please note that don't use the devnet, as you will need to fund actual Aptos or move tokens. So move tokens are currently not available, but Aptos coins and or Sui coins on this wallet. So once you are here on the testnet, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and stake move in order to receive ST move, which is in 1:1 ratio. So simply go ahead and click on submit over here and click on approve. Now at times this might give you some errors because still it's in the development phase and there are some bugs. For example, if you go in the quest over here, there was this JSON error, and at times you might find this JSON error on your Nightly or Razor wallet as well. So this transaction is now completed. Now the next step that you have to do is you will need to go to add liquidity on Razor Dex over here, and let me go ahead and refresh this for you. And you will need to once again switch this to testnet over here. So let me go ahead and choose. So it should be testnet, not devnet or not mainnet, and over here it should be testnet. So this testnet is on Aptos network, and your wallet should be also in Aptos network. Now simply select the amount of move and ST move that you want to go ahead and stake or add to liquidity pool. So in this case, if I select one over here, simply go ahead and click on supply, click on confirm supply. Now the wallet will pop up, and all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and approve this. Now I'm sure this will give me an error because at times there are a lot of errors with regards to integration. So as you can see, the action is rejected. Now once again, like, you have to go over here, go to movement Sui or movement Aptos, click on refresh, and once again, like, in the wallet, go ahead and check in the settings, choose RPC, testnet is there, and once again try to go ahead and supply this to the liquidity pool. So as you can see, now it's loading all the details, and simply go ahead and click on approve. And apart from that, if you are good in movement language or move language, and if you want to deploy certain contracts on the move programming language, you can go ahead and deploy this. Now in future, I will make a separate video as to how you can go ahead and deploy some contracts on the movement network. Because if you deploy contracts, you are usually a developer wallet, and most of the time the developer wallet gets a higher allocation as compared to retail users. And last thing that you can do is if you are well versed with the movement programming, you can also sign up for their open builders program over here. So you have to simply put in your email address, telegram, and you can select what you are applying for. So if you are applying for student, you can also apply for student over here and maybe make a small note and click on submit. So this is all for this video with regards to updated Movement Labs airdrop farming. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.